Morning. Yeah.
Everybody hear me? Whoa, step back. Hello? Check, that better? Okay.
Yesterday was an absolute write-off. We had no battery. I've got no battery now. This is probably going to die. We had to climb Hardside Pass. Made it, as you've seen with that one. Both thought it was all the way down. Once we got down, it wasn't. It was another 2,000 foot climb. Again and again. 4 2,000 foot climbs in one day. Suffering from heat stroke, but burnt to hell. I was sick 7 times last night. Hopefully, the lovely lady in the pub who let us sleep in her summer house won't find it. We're knackered. Like, I'm not kidding, we're knackered. This is
not a drill.
This is ridiculous. We need to get home, and we're going to try our best to get home today. I just want my head to explode. James, anything to add? Because I'm losing the will to live.
You want to know how bad my life has been? I've thrown 2 pairs of socks away. I've not even put them in my washing bag. Life is horrendous. Thank God we found this summer house. It's like pimp my tent.
Yeah, it's insane. We didn't have to put the tent up for once.
MTV will be...
Our crib.
Yeah, it'll be...
Come look around our crib. There's no shops. There's nothing around here.
We found a village last night that said it had a restaurant. Which turned out it wasn't a restaurant. It was someone's house that you had to ring ahead and make a booking.
Yeah.
And then we realised it was another what? I think it was 12 mile to here.
Yeah.
Up another hill, 2,000 foot.
Yeah.
Class, absolutely class.
I'm not going to miss this. Being strapped every morning like a goddamn donkey. With a roof bar strap. I can't even drop it. I have to ask James to undress me. So, this is going to be...
Erotically.
Erotically. This, touch wood, should be the last goddamn time.
Strap on off slowly.
Yeah, we'll go with that, shall we? We're finished in Allendale. Thank God we found that pub. They looked after us very nicely. Couldn't ask for more. So now we've got this one incline. Then it's going to be a decline into the ruck up, where we'll be offloading our bags to someone who's come to get them. So we're going to semi-enjoy the last bit of the leg, and then according to the map on elevation wise there's another big climb, and then the rest is basically mostly downhill. Where have we had that before? See how keen them 2 dogs are. That was like us on the first 5 mile. And then it just...
Far too much credit there, I'd already priced an Uber.
174 quid? Wow.
I mean, looking back, it would have been worth it.
Wow. Major operation now, like.
We came over that hill.
Oh, you're not talking about them, you're talking about the... Oh, Christ. Did we? Last night?
Yes. We came through them trees.
Yeah.
We dropped it, we came down it sideways that way.
Huh. Oh, my ass. Oh, my God. No. Yeah, but that wasn't there on the elevation, that's what I'm saying. Oh my god. We're 24 miles to go. We've got no backpacks though. Nat and Jess have probably not them. So, Consif, quite well signposted. We'll sail on that side.
Don't come round and waste my time. A generation of my time. There is nothing we can do.
Just to do
Stop this plague from breaking through.
Is that a horse?
Yeah.
So we're going to go into a dark tunnel or something?
No, it's a statue.
You absolute. I haven't got my glasses on, I'm relying on you.
Yeah, you look like so dark. What the is that?
Look, it's moving.
Don't come round and waste my time. A generation of my kind. There is nothing we can do to stop this plague from breaking through.
Done! Get it, bastard! Oh! Well, we made it.
Just
40 what miles?
46 miles. And probably about 1,500 feet climbs. 7 hours.
We didn't set off till half 11.
The pub kept giving us grub.
Yeah.
Have some breakfast.
Do you want some toast? Do you want some biscuits? Yeah. So we're here, we've dipped our wheels. The bikes have made it. Kind of in one piece. Minus a rear brake.
One brake Bertie over there.
One brake Bertie.
Appreciate everyone who's donated as well, because the total is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, thank you. So continue to donate.
Oh, and thanks to Nat and Jess for coming and get our bags earlier.
Oh yeah, thank you Nat and Jess. Nat and Jess. Over there they are. Looking away, they're camera shy.
Who's camera shy?
Hey, who's camera shy now? Yay! Thank you. Cheers.
I've just realised I'm going to go back to the train station. And cycle home.
Right.